So the buckle is interchangeable with the actual belt. So you simply open and or close the latch on the buckle that presses into the belt and holds it together. So with this auto ratchet belt, you can see the indentations in the belt lock the belt in place. As you pull the belt tighter, to release the belt, you press this little button switch on the buckle of the belt, and that releases. Now I'm going to resize the belt to my correct size, so I'm just taking my old belt and cutting the new belt to size.